In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to a video in Premiere Pro. So in order for us to do that, click the Windows, Workspaces, and then open Captions and Graphics. Now, the moment you do so, you should be able to see here text. Now, I want you to go ahead and click Transcript, and then we're going to go ahead and transcribe our clip. After doing so, you can see that now we have the subtitle here. What we're going to do is head over to Captions and then click Create Captions from Transcript. Now here, I'm just going to choose Subtitle Default and then click Create Captions. After doing so, you should be able to see this one right here. Now you can go ahead and make some changes here. You can just double click it in order for you to be able to change it. Or you can also just go ahead here on the video, click T or the text tool, and then you can go ahead and click this one in order for you to make changes. Now, what about, say for example, if you are going to change say the format, then what you are going to do is head over here on the right panel and you should be able to see Essential Graphics. Now here in the Essential Graphics, you should be able to see the text. You can just go ahead and click this one and then choose whatever text style you are going to use. For example, I'm just going to try to do this. Okay, I have to select it, and then we're going to choose Show Card Gothic, just for you to be able to see. And then you can go ahead and adjust here the font size just like so. And then you can go ahead and click this one in order for you to check if there's any style here like bold, italic, and so on and so forth. Now, say for example, you want to adjust the location of this here, the text. What you are going to do is just click this one or drag this one to the left and then to the right. And then if you want to drag it up, what you're going to do is this one right here, drag it up or drag it down. Now, another thing that you can do is the color. So we have the appearance here. I want you to click this one in order for you to be able to choose a different color of your choice. Say for example, that color, and then you can add the stroke, a background, and then of course shadow. So again, try to customize this one according to your liking. And then say for example, you want this to be applied to the other as well. What you are going to do is click it one more time, and then you should be able to see this one right here. So it is going to push the style to the rest. So I'm going to click it and then click OK. And then if we are going to go back here, you can see that now we have successfully done this one. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.